Hello students, today we are going to study chapter number 5 of English grammar, and the name of the chapter is determiner students. Now what do you mean by determiner students, or what are determiner students? So let's see the definition of determiner students. Students, determiners are words that are placed before nouns and they tell us something specific or particular about them students. Now student, it's time now after this definition that we move into greater detail and explanation of determiner students. So let's study about determiners in a better detail students. Now students, let's see the first one students. Students, it's written on the left hand side, singular nouns always need a determiner students, and there are two different examples given over here on the right hand side students. Now students, the singular nouns are pen over here and man over here students, and they are requiring a determiner students, and we can see that the determiner over here is one and the determiner over here is the students. Now students, for the plural nouns may or may not need determiner students, may or may not need students. Let's see the example students that are given over here on the right hand side students. It's written, I love having these ice creams. So we are using the word these students. This is a determiner and the noun over here is ice creams. Suppose if I say I love having ice creams. So when we are saying I love having ice creams, although ice creams is a noun over here, but still we do not have any kind of determiner present in this sentence students. Now students, let's see about the uncountable nouns. Students, uncountable nouns may or may not need determiners just as the plural nouns are students. For example students, can you pass some salt please? So we are saying some salt. Salt is something students that cannot be counted students. It can be weighed but it cannot be counted students. May or may not need determiner students. Let's see the other one students over here. The other example is education is crucial to human progress students. Now students, the noun over here is progress students. Now students, let me tell you that human progress students is being used over here. It's a noun. Progress is a noun over used over here students, but there are no determiners before it students. So hence we can say according to this explanation, we need determiners for singular nouns, that is for sure, but for plural nouns and for uncountable nouns, there may be determiner students, and there may not be any kind of determiner students. Students, now this is the end of the video. I hope you were able to understand the video. Thank you students.